Bonjour tout le monde, c'est moi, l'astronom fou, son of Terra 92, and we are here under another starry night in Malaysia, and what we're looking at right now is a supernova in M82. The date is the 3rd of February 2014, and we are camped under the constellation of Ursa Major, the Great Bear, or the Big Dipper, the one you learned in elementary school as that giant scoop in the sky. Yeah, that one. We are witnessing a very exciting and interesting astronomical event, a Type 1a supernova in the galaxy Messier 82, the closest one to Earth in the past 150 years. Type 1a supernovas happen in binary star systems, whenever two stars are interlocked with each other in a sort of gravitational dance. And one of these stars is a white dwarf star, a star that has already run its course in its normal life cycle. And what happens is that this white dwarf star indulges in a form of solar vampirism by accreting mass off of its partner and then exploding at a certain critical point. Now, Type 1a supernovas are of particular interest to the astronomical community because they happen with a consistent brightness that allows curious human observers on planet Earth to use them as a form of universal yardstick to measure the immense distances in the cosmos. Here's how it works. By comparing the apparent brightness of the object with the known brightness of a Type 1a supernova, we are able to gauge the distance between our position as observers on planet Earth to the far-flung explosive event. We do this through the inverse square law for light. Say you held a candle with a known brightness in a series of candles placed at equal distances from each other. The next candle in this series will appear to be 1/4 the brightness of the candle in my hand, and the candle after that will appear to be 1/9 the brightness. By knowing the dimness of the object, we are actually able to determine its distance. Astronomers use Type 1a supernovas as standard candles in measuring the immense distances in the universe, and through it we've actually been able to discover our own place in an expanding universe. Type 1a supernovas always excite astronomers because of their scientific significance. They are an opportunity to study the universe in one of its most violent moments. And to me, to witness one in a single human lifetime is a great privilege. But funny thing is, when I say that we're watching a Type 1a in M82, what's actually happening is that this rare event happened 12 million years ago. Talk about being late to the party, huh? Messier 82 sits right outside our local group, a group of 54 galaxies within 10 million light years in space. Messier 82 is about 12 million light years away. The light that left our SN 2014J left at a time when there were no humans on planet Earth. And after crossing that vast intervening distance between galaxies, is only now reaching our planet and falling into our telescopes, your eyes, and in minds. Some of it falling onto the ground, never to be observed by human eyes. Tuning into events like this really makes you wonder about just how big the universe is on a scale of distance and time, and how, like a life raft adrift on the ocean, our planet is adrift in a cosmic ocean. The Earth is lost in a universe of the extraordinary. But what amazes me even more is that on that planet of the mundane exists a species, living beings that are able to put the supernova inside their minds and not have it suffer a similarly explosive reaction, which is, what you think about it, what should happen. How is it that we are able to understand these things and not go completely bananas? In my opinion, I think it's because we have to, if not for the creative and romantic purpose for some random person to stand under a field of stars and talk about a distant event that happened a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, or if not for the simple pleasure of watching the stars at night. Someday, the ongoing journey of humanity will take us out there, outwards into that universe of the extraordinary that we are now only beginning to understand. And more than any other time before, we will truly be alive as citizens of the cosmos. My name is Son of Terra 92, and this has been a Science Epic video log. Peace. Once again, on behalf of Science Epic, I would like to say thank you for watching. Go ahead and LCS, like, comment, and subscribe. to Science Epic. That was a really fun video that my friends and I made earlier this month of February, trying to catch the supernova of 2014J. It was definitely a once-in-a-lifetime experience and a very exciting experience. I felt like I was on one of those Discovery Channel's reality science shows like Storm Chasers, or like even maybe feeling of Mythbusters, because we had to go out and figure out exactly which direction to look at and at what particular time of night to go hunting for the supernova in its peak brightness. And I thought it was really cool, you know, live science happening in front of us right now, and I really hope to bring you guys this kind of content in the future. I'd like to give a shout out to one of my friends, Amin, who was there that night helping us film the video you just watched, the hunt for SN 2014J. He's a tech blogger. I'd really appreciate it if you'd go ahead and check out his stuff right here. Right here, it's called Nasi Lemak Tech. Yeah, I know, it's a local thing. And I will link his YouTube channel down below. Hopefully you guys will spread that YouTube love, and I'd really appreciate it if you take some time to check this stuff out and, you know, try to make the world a better place. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to thank my friends who were out that night. There were quite a few of us hunting for this sucker up until like 4 a.m. and really just felt like one of those times when I was, you know, in the moment. There's a phrase for it, like in state, just living in the moment and enjoying every second of what you're doing. I thought it was a really awesome experience. We all had a lot of fun, and there'll be a lot more adventures to come. My name is Son of Terra92. If you're not subscribed to my second channel, you can do that right here. It's called Technologeeks. There'll be like music videos and fun stuff to come. Yeah, I said that, music videos. But still, here on Science Epic, we'll still be doing what we do. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.